minutes to an hour. So you can see the restaurant is sitting on the right-hand side, behind the escalators. Food and drink are allowed here, so go ahead. Take your beverages on the tram. As you're leaving the plaza and need directions to your next destination, don't be shy and sitting right where it is.
We're gonna head out just a moment before we jam out. I think it's time to jam out. Now, for those who are just running my dispenser, I'm gonna be your guide. Everyone, give me a round of applause. Most of you might recognize and talk about it a little bit. That's my jam band. That's Mike Joy. You see Mr. Jimmy Fallon. Hey, Jimmy. Come in. Welcome to the Universal Studios tour. Make sure you get this experience. We got the very best guys, Spencer and Doozy. Our city is dedicated to that's exactly what our tours want to explore today. Starting right here on our front line, we'll see our sales stages, heading over to our back line. Put on your left-hand side of our sales stage, we have the ground property sales stage. It's actually a whole tour of different models. So we use several of those things. This is our back line. We also have to dress our business center. Jackets and asshole friends. Of course, if you're a fan of Max, we also celebrated the 38th anniversary of the White House was in there, Grant's Lab, and some of the little moments, cocktail sequences. Let's make that sounds like developing inside the sound stages with any kind of shooting up the top, because we're filming inside of our sound stages, along with the other projects, including all 6 seasons of the NBC series, starting all the way back to 1939, the World Sphere, which was our first prime. That's okay. The TV shows we produce over the years are absolutely appealing. Oh, y'all, okay, my BFF is over here on your left-hand side. Everyone say hello to my friend and yours, that lovable teddy bear, Ted. Hi, Ted. All right, see you later. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right, come on. here on your left-hand side, some of our production bungalows where writers, directors, and producers come together to develop ideas and get scripts into shape for the big and small screen on a grand scale. So you are jumping buildings, superheroes jumping through buildings, stunt people jumping through buildings. By the way, you're like a reality competition series on the warrior. Actually, let's see the obstacle courses from it's not ready to build this week. Now, as movies in reality, so what you're going to see out there is what we call facades. They're just the fronts and sides of buildings. So the building can only see in your imagination. So for example, on your right-hand side, you carries neighborhood use. Release the dog! We're going to kick things up a notch here. We're going to go 88 miles per hour into our next location, known as Courthouse Square. You might know it as Kingston Falls from Gremlins, Grand Ghost Whisperer. If you like that reference, you might recognize a cool little known franchise called Back to the Future. This was 1955. We can take you to anywhere in the world, but keep the building itself intact.
Courthouse Square had inspired the
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. What's that mug over there? That old woman, tough lady. It's my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times, guys. Let's go, guys. We're just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Even if you make it here on the Universal lot. But you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. And in fact, our metropolitan sets have it anywhere. They were home to Boston for 10, Baltimore for Hairspray Live.
That's great to have you on the line. Now we have this 3D experience. Real glasses. Don't come on yet. Just
all times hang $1 people on to one.
Roaring 308 from the original Magnum Theater. Retro and future active vehicles from Back to the Future and Back to
Celebrated its 30th anniversary back on June 11th. Came out June 11th, 1993. So in honor of, we're actually going to do a little homage here to Jurassic Park by talking about the franchise of that blue orb-shaped vehicle. Because you might be thinking, it looks a little different than it did on screen. You might be thinking, yeah, hey Spencer, where's the glass casing or the glass bubble surrounding the gyrosphere like it is in the movie franchise? Plays a movie scene, y'all. It was actually never there.
North Bar, you gotta wear some of this too. Most of Jurassic Park and Jurassic World, by the way, filmed in Hawaii. A lot of it's in Hawaii. A lot of the time we travel the planet looking for the most exotic location to use for a scene. Other times we don't want to travel, so we just built the location on our property. Around this bend we have our very own
In fact, I would say a hurricane as well. Here's what you see, all the forecast for the hurricane franchise for obvious reasons. It's not great for how to do it. Here's the percentage. 70 acres, only 5 million. there's another like distro like another recent piece. So there's rain. Rain's a little more complicated because rating technology we just discovered last week. We're going to do rain this down. It's called a sprinkler system. And it shoots water.
So this for you, you're up your very own blood and rough. Everyone can get one round.
Never go wind up together. Texas, can I get a yeah? Hey y'all, nice. So many of our fancy Western stars moving down. We actually filmed a lot of projects here over the years, including the sequel to Quantum Leap, as well as the movie Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, directed by Quentin Tarantino, and starring Leonardo DiCaprio. And in fact, that movie won the Academy Award for Best Production Design, which is cool. It's time we've been traveling a little bit. We went to Europe, the whole place. Now I think it's time to head over to the start to get ahead for a little bit of a vacation. A small New England town called Hammond, and terrorized by a giant man-eating shark in that classic summer blockbuster Jaws. But there's no need to worry. They finally got that famous shark. You're going to see him hanging up on your right-hand side. And in fact, my police diver friend Frank is out in the water right now doing one final sweep. We're reopening the pier to make sure everything's for the public to peruse. Beautiful. Down at this pier, so it looks like something's in the water. Okay, totally fine. Frank is on his conventional. We'll take care of it in the morning. Just in case. Hey, Frank? Well, I don't think you can hear me if I'm being quite frank. Something go wrong. Lots of fire. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I can assure you from here on out, everything will be totally PG. Nothing else could possibly go wrong. Except that. I'm not scared, you're scared. I'm also not a marine biologist. We're going to be in Look at that one next door to another little white lighthouse in 1313 on here, like the monsters. That's right, y'all. Next to Canadian Herman. Who would have thought it? We make it so right now here on Operating some stories we tell in different topics, there's dramas, monsters, and different types of projects as well. Commercials, television shows, music videos, and of course, movies. If you look at some of our neighborhoods on screen, see great glimpses right here on screen. 2, 3. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wait, that's right. No one lives out here. This is another example of how we can control our environment, y'all, without those pesky neighbors involved. In fact, most of these houses are actually just the exterior, just the shell of the house. There's nothing on the inside. A couple of practical sets, but for the most part, they're all simply just facades. But that doesn't stop us from making movie magic out here. In fact, we can kind of do whatever we want out here in this neighborhood. We can make it snow in the middle of August. We can make it rain on a Thursday.
This is a real 747 jet, chopped into pieces and brought here carefully section by section. The plane was bought for about $100,000, but it cost millions of dollars to chop it up and deliver it to this part of the United States.
Film goes down right in a big neighborhood because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Let's take a look at and how this appeared on screen with director Steven Spielberg and production designer Peter Parker.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and the what the other?
Roman Pierce. FBI, don't move. Damn, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron that shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Yeah, ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Sean. It's gonna get.
It was on vibrate.
She don't trace us. I just can't hold it forever. Letty, Roma, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
Don't think you're getting away! Put it in the balls!
Way to go, Letty. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. I got you. Under construction. Hit the nitrous. Try to die.
I just want you guys out there having fun at Universal Studios, the entertainment capital of LA. So until next time, I am Jeff. That's a wrap, and I'll see you at the movies. Thanks, everybody.